kita was
Naik sure melawan mga sakit itu naik. Kakwa if we can get out of this because I'm worried.
It has to be
Your well-being
optional.
lang at selain
Yeah.
ng budget fee.
It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write? Wala ka ketemu kasi.
No. Better you write. I cannot separate it. Optional, it has to be optional. It
In
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That
In
what
black
you
and
want
white.
me to write?
It depends upon you. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh, kami
agitation.
kamlong,
No.
kamlong.
I
Tingnan
think
ko
the
at least
government
ang
is
bastang na
the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the reservation policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the
We have
government.
to talk.
It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate or population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on reservation policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead. This
Just take
committee-
care of yourself.
No.
I've understood your mind now.
Yeah.
I will talk to everyone. I've understood your mind, but I want to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will
Why
continue.
people
I will continue.
Why
Yeah,
people numpang?
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You
yes.
are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about himla commission across the
Yes. Definitely. No. This is
At
not
democracy
democracy.
kaya staff, wala ka private members, diam not enough.
That is not
Dokam
democracy.
lele. Dokam
That is
lele.
not democracy.
I
That
have
is the
come here
rules.
to debate
That is
you.
the
I want you
rules
to
and
take
procedure
care.
of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy.
What?
This is democracy.
That's the way the
Yeah.
world is.
But
If
it should
you
have been
one
done
day
in-
get
it should have been
one
done
day you have the
in a real
numbers, you'll
democratic
also
way.
not allow any
No.
other political
We
party.
will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real
No,
issues.
we will. I have just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
you to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want you to
but
keep
we
fit.
cannot decide individually. This is, we are coming
So
here.
you are saying now give it in writing.
Yeah.
Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not remain
Our
like
message,
this.
our message is very clear. The government should review.
See,
the
we are
reservation-
reviewing the
No,
reservation.
you are not reviewing. You are discussing roster. Please.
We are reviewing
I don't know
the
why you are confused.
Eh.
Why you are confused? As minister, you have
Reservation
your
is-
mind has to be.
Reservation
There must be a
means
clarity on your mind.
reservation means what? Reservation means number one, pedigi office memorandum. That's what we're doing.
No.
Number two,
Reservation,
tulong in Panyag,
reservation
kata-kata
is how you
reservation.
reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you
Reservation-
make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state.
Yes.
That is reservation.
That is what the
Okay,
policy says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khazis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khazis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Kasi means what? Giant class, green oil. So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kindriam
there.
Upanar.
Then-
Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try
dividing.
to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't
I'm
try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I
means
have not come
Kindriam
here to
Upanar
argue
Uboy
with you.
Uwar Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Boy, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That
No,
is what I'm
why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
what we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we include Ponar, we include War, we include Bhoi. So let us not bring that.
Sit, let us talk about this. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want it.
So if
It's not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
for
for
you.
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
for the
worry
state,
for
for
me.
the state. For the state.
Okay. Worry
Not
for
good
the
for all of us.
youth of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youths.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for
me.